I always thought that Peter, John, and I were the perfect trio. We did everything together. But a real crisis shows you who a person truly is. It turned out that one of them was completely fake, and the other was a brother for life. Here is the story of how our friendship was tested. We all worked at the same company. One afternoon, our boss called me into his room, looking very angry. A very important client's file was missing from my desk. When I came back out, I was shaking. John and Peter walked up to me.
Louis, what happened? Why do you look so pale?
The boss is furious. The Smith project file is gone. Someone took it from my desk. If I don't find it by tomorrow morning, I will lose my job.
Oh no, Louis, that is terrible. But honestly, the boss is right to be mad. It was your responsibility. You should have been more careful.
I was careful, Peter. I locked it before I went to lunch.
Well, maybe you forgot. Look, I have a lot of work to finish. I can't help you look for it. Good luck, man. Peter turned around and walked away to his desk.
Hey, look at me. Ignore Peter. I know you didn't lose that file. We are going to find it.
But the office is huge, John. It will take all night to search every room.
Then we will stay here all night. I am not leaving you alone.
By 11 p.m., the office was dark and completely empty. John and I were crawling on the floor, checking under every desk and inside every cabinet. We were exhausted.
John, it's almost midnight. You should go home and sleep. You have a big presentation tomorrow. Don't ruin your career for my mistake.
Are you crazy? Remember when we were kids? We are a team, Louis, through thick and thin. I am stay right here.
Just then, John knocked over a small trash can near Peter's desk. A thick brown folder fell out. John picked it up and opened it.
Louis, look at this.
This is the missing Smith file. Why is it in Peter's trash can?
Suddenly, the office door opened. Peter walked in to grab his car keys. He stopped when he saw us holding the folder. His face turned red.
What are you guys still doing here?
Peter, explain this. Why is Louis's missing file hidden in your trash can?
Oh, that? I must have picked it up by mistake. It's no big deal.
No big deal? Peter, you told the boss this afternoon that I was careless. You tried to get me fired so you could get the promotion.
So what if I did? This is the business world, Louis. Every man for himself. You are too weak for this job anyway.
Get out of here, Peter. You were never our friend. You are a fake.
The next morning, we gave the file back to the boss and explained everything. Peter was fired immediately. Later, John and I stood outside the office building, drinking hot coffee under the morning sun.
I still can't believe it. Peter acted like our best friend for 2 years. It was all a lie.
Hey, don't worry about him. Some people are only around when the weather is good. When the storm hits, they run away.
You didn't run away. You stayed up all night and risked your own job for me.
Of course I did. Like I said at the playground when we were 10 years old, we are a team. A fake friend like Peter could never break that.
Thanks, brother. That was the moment I realized something important. A fake friend will smile to your face and push you down when you aren't looking. But a true friend, like John, will stand by your side in the dark, helping you find the light.